A buyer who doesn't get calendar added misses their own webinar. That's a sale you made and a customer you still lost. One template closes that gap completely. Here's how it works. Let's get started inside viaSocket. Log into your account and choose the workspace. From the left sidebar, open Templates. There are over 150 ready-to-use templates here. Click the search bar and type ThriveCart. Then pick ThriveCart from the app suggestions to filter the library down. 14 ThriveCart automations ready to go. The one we want is Auto Add New Buyers to your Google Calendar webinar. Click it. The template shows exactly what it does in 2 steps. A product is purchased triggers it, and add attendee to webinar. Hit install. Now configure step 1, the trigger. Choose your ThriveCart connection. If this is your first time, click in Add New. Test it. That shows the data of name, payment plan, customer ID. Save it. Step 2 is Add Attendee to Webinar. Pick your calendar and choose the event, and new attendee are already mapped to the ThriveCart customer. The template did that for you. Save and next. One last click. Go live and your flow is running. Want more? Switch to the advanced flow and add a welcome email or a Slack alert. That's ThriveCart to Google Calendar, fully automated in one template. Every buyer lands on the webinar the second they pay. Explore more use cases like this in our template library. Don't worry, it's free for now. So keep building with viaSocket.